Hi, okay, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Everywhere is good. So, yes, in this video, we'll be discussing on how to add a base map to your existing arcmap workspace. The reason why I want to do this video is because sometimes you may load the data and you don't even have an idea where you are. Yes, where you are on the map. So a fast way to do that is to add, is to add your base map to your workspace. And there are different kinds of base mappers. I've tried to see some in my video, and coming here, add a base map. So clicking that, a window pops up and you have this. But before I click on one, I want to talk about something very fast. Yes, you can have your this workspace, and if you click on this, you don't have this because sometimes you may need to connect the ArcGIS to the internet. So most times, if you open your ArcGIS workspace without an internet before, you will not be able to connect to it. So most times when you come to your notification here, when you come to your notification here, you have this, you have this, you must have this. So when you have this and it has a danger sign, that means it's not connected to the internet. So you will need to left click or right click. So when you right click, you will tell it to not run a connection test. You will tell it to test connection now. So when you text it to test connection now, it connects to the internet. So but when you ask it to run a connection test, it runs it and it check if it is strong, if it is weak, and so on. So mine is already connected to the internet. So what I need to pick is to pick my base map. So let's pick the topography base map and let's add it to our map. So we'll have to wait a few seconds. So sorry, I'm trying to wait for it. So this is my topography base now. So already I know that I am in a point. So that means I can be in a point. Even right from my house. I can be in Abuja. Even right from my house. That's the advantage it's giving me. So now it's showing me, okay, so if you are seeing the layout, you are seeing this, that means you are where you think you are and you are not outside where you think you are not. So sorry, don't mind me. So that's the base map. So you can also change your base map, but be careful because depending on the kind of system you are, depending on the delay, depending on how fastness it can be. So I can choose another one to view. So okay, let's uncheck our topography so that we can see the geographical. Yeah, so this is the word. I don't know why my points are not pumping up. So sometimes, depending on the device you are using, a device can have a little bit delay, your device can crash. So depending on how efficient it is. But sorry, I will have to try and check it. So yes, so I see. So although this has confirmed the data I uploaded, it has already confirmed it. So if you want to draw your roads, these are your roads. You want to draw certain kinds of settlements, certain kinds of, so you can as well draw them by viewing. Yes, which means that you may not necessarily go to, maybe you have a Google Earth Pro, you have certain kinds of device of which you can draw them from and then input them here. You may not necessarily go through that stress. That is what I mean. You may as well draw them from this place using your shapefile analysis, using your shapefile procedure. You may as well draw them from here. You may as well draw them from here. So maybe in the next video we will talk about how to draw our shapefile, either our point data, our polyline data, or our polygon data. So, but let me try to add one more base map. There's one base map that I love to add. I love it because, and that's the image labels. Hopefully, I'm praying that it should add. It should add. That's my earnest. Because the device is crying and is saying you have loaded me up. So, alright, so I have it loaded up, but it doesn't really have some labels. Oh, wow, it's loading up. Can we wait for it? Can we wait for it? It's loading up. So, alright, this is my base map and I have it here. So, you need to carefully zoom in, zoom out so that you don't lose data. You will need to really carefully. I'm saying carefully zoom in and out. Carefully zoom in and out. Yes, so that you don't lose or it doesn't stop working. So I believe we have come to the end of adding a base map to your workspace. We have come to an end. So thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Sorry it's taking long because we needed to really see how and what and why we needed to consult or answer those three questions. Thank you.